Hi, in this lecture you will see what to know before starting the course. Especially if you are new in Udemy, these tips will be very useful to get the most out of this course. First of all, if English is not your first language, or if you are having some problems to understand what I am saying, there are two options to handle that. First, if you are having a problem with the speed of the lecture, you can change it by clicking on the speed button here and select a faster or a slower speed. Because as human beings, we can speak faster or slower than usual sometimes. So once you select the speed, all the next videos will be played with that speed. Second, you can click on the captions button here and open the subtitles for the videos. Then select one of the available languages. The subtitles will help you to understand what I am saying better. Or alternatively, you can click on the transcript button here to see the overall transcript on the right side of the video. As you can see, all the subtitle of the video is here. However, this may be more confusing and distracting. So using the CC button and seeing the captions below the video will be better, I think. Second, if you have any questions about any of the subjects in my course, you can easily click on the Browse Q&A button here for any of the lectures. As soon as you click, you will see the questions asked before for this lecture. You can find an answer to your question here by checking from the list below or by searching it with the search area above. Or sometimes the students ask their questions directly from the dashboard. So you can search your question from the dashboard to find a quick solution first. Or if you couldn't find an answer, you can easily click on the Ask a New Question button inside of the dashboard Q&A or inside of the video Q&A and ask your question. In here, you can write a title for your question and a detailed explanation to the text area below. As you can see, you can add code blocks, images, links, etc. to this area. So, if your question is about a problem, if you can share some screenshots about it, I can understand the problem better and respond to you much accurately. By the way, I am checking the questions for a couple times a day, so any of your questions will be answered in a couple hours or at most in 24 hours. Third, if you have a problem with the streaming or the resolution of the videos, you can click on the gear icon here and select a different resolution. Auto is usually the best choice, but if the speed of your internet connection is slow and having a lot of freezes, you can decrease the resolution. Or if you cannot see the videos properly, you can increase it to see them better. Besides, sometimes I add some resources for you to use in this course like documents, download links, etc. So when you move the cursor to top left, you will see the name of the lecture appeared, or sometimes it appears as resources available. When you click on the name or resources available area, you can easily reach to the resources. Or you can change the video from this area. By the way, sometimes Udemy asks you to rate this course very early. If you are not ready to leave a review yet, just click on the Ask Me Later button here. Because some students select random ratings to dismiss that window, but please do not do something like that because every rating is really important and impacts the motivation of the instructors to make the courses better in time or create more courses, etc. So your reviews are really important to me, and if you are able to have some time and would like to leave a review to my course, I'll be so glad for that. Furthermore, along with the course, you can easily update your review or add for the first time from the course dashboard by clicking on the rating area. Alright, as we saw the basic tips of Udemy, now we can continue with our course. So, see you in the next lecture then.